How to change the language on YouTube. This tutorial shows you how to switch your preferred language in the YouTube app on your Android device. First, open the YouTube app on your Android device. After that, tap on the U tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. At this point, scroll down until you see the General section. In the next step, tap on Language under the General settings. Following this, a list of available languages will appear on your screen. Once done, scroll through the list and find your preferred language. From here, tap on the language you want to set as your default. At this stage, YouTube will automatically apply the language change right away. After this, go back to the home screen to confirm the changes have taken effect. Once completed, all menus, buttons, and interface text will now appear in your chosen language. Finally, if you ever want to switch back, simply follow the same steps and select your original language. Keep in mind that changing the language only affects the YouTube app interface. It does not change the language of video content or auto-generated subtitles unless you update those settings separately. And that's it. If this YouTube guide helped you change your preferred language, give it a like, subscribe for more YouTube tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.